Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel, T Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulosity channel. If you are new, you're welcome, and if you have been a regular person here, you are also welcome. Alright guys, so today we are going to talk about yogurt. Yes, yogurt is not only for consumption, but it is also used for facial lightening. So guys, it's very wonderful for your face if you want your face to be bright. Alright guys, so I'm just going to squeeze my lemon juice into this half tablespoon. After which I'll mix it very well. Regular application of yogurt on your face helps in lightening blemishes, reducing suntan. The lemon juice works amazingly as it contains citric acid, which is known to have great skin lightening properties. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go apply this on my face. Don't go anywhere. Alright beautiful people, so I have with me here my mixture. So I'm just going to dab my cotton wool inside and begin to apply it on my face. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna allow this stay on my face for 10 to 15 minutes before I rinse it off. I'm already beginning to feel refreshed, and I know this is going to do an amazing work. Alright guys, I'm back. You can see how this has helped in lightening up my face. So you keep doing it repeatedly and you will love the results you get from this. Alright beautiful people, hope you enjoyed the video. Please, if you enjoyed the video, consider subscribing, click on the like button, and see you on my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye.